Good day! I am your future chef, Jairuss Leensel de Guzman Pahara. I surely would have enjoyed and learned more in this on-the-job training from a face-to-face setting. I absorb knowledge better by being there in the moment and by executing what I am trained to do. Coming from an engineering course before I shifted into professional culinary arts, I would deeply appreciate all the hands-on experience I can get. What stood out to me throughout all the webinars and immersions that I participated in was that all of the speakers got to where they are now through passion for their chosen vocation. I would be incorporating all my learnings in my future positions in our industry to have an edge and be outstanding in what I do. This would mean exceptional products and services for our potential clients. The time that you have decided on your future occupation, you must immerse yourself in that work. Never complain about your profession. Instead, you must fall in love with your trade. Dedicate your life to mastering your skills and acquiring new ones. That is my mantra for achieving my future goals towards success. Thank you.